Is your appliance broken? Need a reliable technician? Introducing your local appliance repair solution. We have local repair technicians standing by near you. Is your appliance on its last legs? No problem. We can fix it while saving you money too, with a free service call with repair. So why us? How about we're licensed and insured, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, and our trucks are stocked with the parts you need. We repair all appliance brands. Technicians are close by for same-day service. 5-star reviews. Refrigerators, washers and dryers, dishwashers, microwave ovens, stoves, and ovens. We do it all, and better than anyone else. Call now to schedule your repair service.